When you invest your money and you want it to run in the background while you live your life, the idea of a hands-free investing experience becomes very appealing. You don't want to constantly pick funds, check your portfolio, or rebalance manually. Instead, you want the tool to automate the heavy lifting. Today, we'll compare Betterment and Wealthfront. Both are robo-advisors designed for automation. Both aim to make investing simpler, but they differ in how much they automate, how much control they give you, and how they handle features like advice, fees, and automation. Let's start with Betterment. Betterment offers a very accessible entry point, no minimum required for its basic plan. It allows you to define goals, retirement, home purchase, general wealth growth, and then it builds a diversified portfolio for you, automatically rebalances it, and handles dividend reinvestment. For users who want virtually no fuss, this is strong. You set your risk tolerance, pick your goal, and let the system manage the rest. Betterment also offers tax loss harvesting in its standard tier, which helps reduce tax drag for taxable accounts. On the flip side, if you want deep control or ultra-advanced automation features, you may find Betterment a bit more limited unless you move into their premium plan. Now let's look at Wealthfront. Wealthfront also positions itself as a highly automated investment service. It offers a flat advisory fee, for example, 0.25% per year, and covers the automation side, automatic rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and for larger accounts, features like direct indexing and smart beta strategies. For investors who truly want set it and forget it. Wealthfront leans more toward that model. You do minimal decisions after onboarding and the system takes over. Another point, Wealthfront does not focus on human advisor access as part of its automated investing model, at least in the standard offering. This means you might sacrifice human touch for deeper automation. Finally, Wealthfront's minimum investment in its standard automated account is about $500. So how do you pick the most hands-free option between Betterment and Wealthfront? If your priority is absolute automation, minimal decision-making, and you are comfortable with no human advisor interactions and letting the system steer your portfolio, Wealthfront is very compelling. Both services are excellent for hands-free investing. The difference comes down to how much control you want, how much human support you want, and how much you want the system to do with minimal input. Choose the one that aligns with your style.